We have today a 2010 Buick Enclave. Now again, 148,000 miles. We're gonna replace the all the engine mounts, and there's one. We're gonna start with this one right here, right behind, right there. As you can see, I think that's one right there. So let's gonna start with this one right here. That's the first one I see. Okay, so I have to remove all these covers. So you don't have to replace the part, the mount engine, but I just did it that way you have a better access for the view, for the video. That way you know what's behind, and just gonna to look at it. So now we're gonna replace the engine mount right here. This is a transmission mount right here, I think, right? Because this has the transmission right there, I guess. So it's this one right here, okay? So that one we're gonna replace. But you don't have to remove the cover, but I did it for video, so you can have a better idea what it looks like, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this part right here, this nut, and the one on the bottom right here. You can really see it, but yeah, right here, okay? So I'm gonna see which way it's gonna work better, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna screw this one first. It's very easy. So to remove this one, we have to remove this part right here too. All right. Okay, so now we do the one on the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna remove the one on the bottom, if it fits. Oops, you know what? We had to take it off because Okay, so that one is off. Okay, as you can see, I'll lift the transmission. So I'm gonna take it down now. Okay. I'm going up. Until you got this free. Ooh. Finally. Got it out. Okay, so we got this is the part number for the new transmission mount. This is it right here. It also comes with the nuts. So just check with this is the new one, you can see. This is the old one. That's the bit. See? It doesn't that bad. This is better. So okay, so let's go put it back on. Alright. So the shortest parts go on the bottom and the big one, the longest part go on top. So we're gonna try to get emergency is in, okay? Okay, so I got the two jacks right there, one on one side, the other one on the transmission. Okay, and I had to lose, I'll show you in a minute. I got the big bar, hammer, some tools, and then let me show you what bolts I have to lose. I have to lose this one's right here, right there, to get it, this part, get it down like this, and then I had to lose the other one here too. See, right there. So that way this part comes a little bit when I push it down to get the transmission mount from here. As you can see, I damaged this part, tried to do it without losing the bolts, but you had to lose these bolts right here, one on each side, right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna just put everything back on and ready to go. Okay. I think I'm gonna use the same nuts from here because I think they're more secure. Okay, and the one on the bottom, which is somewhere around here. A ver. ¿Qué andan haciendo? ¿Qué andan haciendo?